Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then hello, my name is Megha and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. And if this is something that interests you, then go on, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, today's video is a very fun video because I'm doing a makeup challenge with you guys. And today I'll be doing a reverse makeup challenge. And yeah, if you're interested to know how I get a perfect look, which I hope I will get, please keep on watching. So the last step is always setting my makeup using a setting spray, and for today's setting spray I'll be using the Makeup Fixer Natural Swiss Beauty. This is from Swiss Beauty and I'll be using this. So yeah, I'll spray it all over my face. Now this is not a prep plus fixing spray, but yeah, as we are doing a challenge I need to do this. Before applying anything, I make sure I apply primer because primer helps in getting your face really very good, and also it protects your skin from the harmful chemicals of the makeup. So yeah, I did not include primer in this challenge because I had to apply primer before I apply makeup. Yeah, moving on to the next product is a lip color, and for today's lip color I'll be using this lip color from Beauty People, and this is in the shade 515. Now this is a very dark shade. I'll be using it and applying it. I love this color so much. It is really very nice. So moving on to the next step is doing our eyes, and the last step I use on my eye is an eyelash, and I'll be using this eyelash from Delilah's Beauty. I'll quickly apply this eyelashes and be right back. Now that my eyelashes are on, the next step is mascara, and for today's mascara I'll be using this mascara from Beauty People. I'll gently coat my lashes and move on to the next step really very quickly. Now after we're done applying mascara, the next step is to apply our eyeshadow. I do not use eyeliner, so we're not applying any eyeliner. And yeah, next up we'll be using eyeshadow, and for today's eyeshadow I'll be using two palettes. One is the Changeable Fantasy palette and the other is this Brazilian Carnival palette. Now both these palettes are from Cuffs and Lashes. They're super pigmented and I absolutely love it. This has such beautiful colors in it, and since I don't know what look I'll be creating, I'll be using these two palettes because they have variety of colors. As you can see, even for our eyes we'll go in a reverse order, which means first I'll be applying glitters, then I'll be applying transition shade. So for today's glitter I'll be using this turquoise kind of shade right here and apply it all over my lid. So yeah, we're done with our other eye as well, and the next step is to do our brows. And for today's brows I'll be using this brow pencil from Maybelline New York. Now again I have to use it in a reverse order, so I'll do my powder thing first and then draw my brows. I don't know how it is gonna be, but let's just do it. Now after having used the powder side, I'll go on to the pencil side and draw my eyebrows. Now that we are done with our brows as well, now the next step is to go and do our base makeup, and the first product I'll be using is a contour stick. I'll move on and use a cream contour rather than using a bronzer. So yeah, I'll be using this contour stick from Sugar. At this point, I look funny AF. Now I'll quickly go on and do my setting powder. Now, as you all know, applying powder below foundation will just make my foundation look very cakey. But for this challenge, I obviously need to do that. And yeah, for today's compact, I'll be using this compact powder from Maybelline New York. And I'll be using a fluffy brush and take only little amount because I really don't want my base to look very cakey, and tap it all over my face. And yeah, after we're done with our compact powder, then the next step is to apply a highlighting shade of concealer, and for that I'll be using this Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 06. Now that I have concealer, I'll draw it around my eyebrows also. Using a precise brush, I'll quickly blend all the concealer. Now I hope my foundation covers all my disgusting face, what it looks like. I didn't expect this. I seriously did not expect this, because when other YouTubers did it, their look turned out to look so freaking pretty. So the last product I'll be using is this foundation, and this is the Fit Me foundation in the shade 335. I'll take generous amount and apply it on my face. Now since I forgot to apply blush and highlighter, I'll quickly do it right now. My foundation is right here. I'll quickly do it right now because I just forgot it. I'm so freaking sorry for this one, but I just forgot it. I'll quickly apply it. Yeah, after all, my foundation is gonna hide everything, so I'll quickly do this foundation thing and so guys, this is the final look. This is not so bad. I literally loved it. Now after this video is done, I'll quickly set it because I have not applied anything above my foundation and I'm sure it's gonna crease. So yeah, that was all about this video, and if you like this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more such videos. Also let me know in the comment section below which kind of videos you want me to post, and I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.